This is a review of the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4 tires that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, I'm going to explain everything about these tires. So I've been using these tires for around 6 to 7 months now, and so far these tires are absolutely amazing. And the reason why I say so is because the grip, the handling, like if you're going fast in corners, this right over here is definitely going to do the job very great, especially for like, racing purposes or for aggressive driving. These tires definitely hook you on, and they hook on the road very well. You can see these tires, they are a 235 50/18 that you can see for the specs right over here for the tire size and for the tire specs. And right over here you can see that these tires right over here, if I go underneath here on the back side, you can see the amount of grip this tire, these tires have right over here. You can see the tread is very, still, around 6 to 7 months. You can see how well these tires are. So they do last for a long time as well too, depending on your driving behavior. But you can see I have enough tread, so it's like about, like 90% of tread, you can see. And they last a long time. And I absolutely love these tires. You can see on this side as well too, right over here. The tires, the tread is really amazing. And like I told you guys before, the cornering is definitely going to be one of the most amazing things, because once you're on the wet pavement as well too, is definitely going to hook you on as well too. So I also tested this in the rain as well. It definitely works very well for the dry weather and also like the summer weather, but also for the rain weather as well too, even for the winter time, since they are all season. So during the summer, during the fall, and also during the wet pavement as well too, I would definitely recommend the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4 tires if you're looking for all season tires and you're wanting that, if you're like that type of person to do like aggressive driving. These tires right over here are by far one of the best ones. You can see they definitely hook you into place as well too. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these tires if you are looking for some grippy tires. Then these tires right over here, the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4s, are by far one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.